Welcome back to our channel. Today the RV lifestyle just got an upgrade with the introduction of the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome. Known for their reliability and performance in the trucking industry, Kenworth has brought their expertise into the luxury motorhome market, creating a vehicle that promises comfort, innovation, and unparalleled quality. Here's why the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is a game changer and what makes it stand out from the rest. The new Kenworth Motorhome blends modern aesthetics with a robust build. It features a sleek, aerodynamic exterior designed to improve fuel efficiency while turning heads on the road. The durable materials and advanced engineering reflect Kenworth's legacy in crafting long-haul trucks that withstand the test of time. The spacious interior showcases an open-concept design with high-end materials like leather, polished wood, and modern lighting. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome ensures you travel in luxury. Advanced technology. The motorhome is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to make driving and living on the road easier. Touchscreen control panel, manage climate settings, lighting, and entertainment with a user-friendly interface. Driver assistance systems, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure safe and stress-free driving. Smart home integration, compatible with voice assistants, allowing you to control appliances and features hands-free. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is designed to feel like a home on wheels, with every inch optimized for comfort and functionality. Key features include luxury bedroom, a king-size bed with premium bedding, plenty of storage, and ambient lighting. Gourmet kitchen, fully equipped with a refrigerator, induction stove, microwave, and high-end cabinetry. Spa-like bathroom, a spacious shower, porcelain toilet, and sleek vanity with modern finishes. Entertainment system, a 4K smart TV, surround sound, and Wi-Fi connectivity ensure endless entertainment options. Performance and efficiency. Powered by a reliable Kenworth diesel engine, the motorhome provides exceptional performance on all types of terrain. Despite its size, it offers surprising fuel efficiency thanks to the company's expertise in optimizing heavy-duty vehicles. It also features an advanced suspension system for a smooth ride, even on uneven roads. Why choose the Kenworth Motorhome? Kenworth's entry into the motorhome market brings decades of experience in delivering high-performance vehicles. The 2025 model is ideal for RV enthusiasts who want the durability of a commercial truck combined with the luxury of a high-end motorhome. Pricing and availability. Although specific pricing details are yet to be announced, industry insiders predict it will start at a competitive rate compared to other luxury motorhomes. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is expected to hit dealerships in mid-2024, giving adventurers a chance to upgrade their travels just in time for the summer season.